soda in a Pyrex pot. Now let me get in that kitchen. The way I keep my eyes on the water, you would swear to God I was fishing. Baking soda in a Pyrex pot. Baking soda in a Pyrex pot. Baking soda in a Pyrex pot. Tryna get me a bankroll. Baking soda in a Pyrex pot. Now let me get in that kitchen. The way I keep my eyes on the water, you would swear to God I was fishing. Baking soda in a Pyrex pot. Baking soda in a Pyrex pot. Baking soda in a Pyrex pot. Tryna get me a bankroll. All I know is that trap life. Grind hard, nigga, get paid. Got something when you cockroaches. Touch mine and you get raised. Can't mix how I came up. On the slab, I be coming down. Never been on that Drake shit. Who a brick in the cab, I move around. Stacking bread from the foundation. Middle finger to you niggas late. Bad now, so I whip the work. Whip it like I was a fucking racist. Whip it like I was a slave owner on a plantation with a cotton fish. Don't let nobody in my trap. Pass the door, then the shit get real. On the table, you see the steel. On the stove, you see the work. Got security at the door. Don't fuck around and you get hurt. Hold up, nigga, pat it down. Won't let you come in and rob me. Trust that nigga right at the door. And leave a bag in that lobby. Baking soda in a Pyrex pot. Now let me get in that kitchen. The way I keep my